How to fix Roblox Error Code 286. For this first step, close background application, open up Task Manager, search for background application which you are not using. If it's running in background means you need to end the task completely. Search it and end the task. After end the task, you can check it. If the problem still remains, then move on with the next step. Increase virtual memory. For this you need to search for advanced system settings. Click it. Click advanced option. Under performance you have seen settings. Click it. One more time click advanced. Under virtual memory you have seen change. Click it. Disable automatic manage paging file size and enable custom size. You can enter the size depends on your RAM. It may be vary, so you can depends on your RAM, you can enter it. After enter, click set, click OK, click apply and OK. Once complete, after you need to restart your device. Click restart now and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text: percentage local app data percentage. Click OK. Scroll down and search for Roblox folder. Click it. Click local storage folder. Delete the files inside the local storage. Come back. Click log folder. Delete the files inside the log folder. Come back and close it and come to next step. Search for run and type the following text: CLEA or MGR. Type it and click OK. Select the drive. Select the files and click OK. Wait for some time to clean up. Once complete, after move on with next step. Click settings. Click system settings. Click display settings. Scroll down. Click graphic settings. Click advanced graphic settings and make sure the hardware acceleration GPU schedule it should be in turn off mode. Make sure it, turn off it, close it and restart your device. Thank you.